Okay guys, back here at the Motorplex, but we're here for something a little bit different today. There's no drag racing on for a couple of weeks, so I've decided to come down and take a look at the other side of the world here at the Motorplex. And we're at Motorvation 38, checking out some burnouts. And today we've got a special guest featuring our very own Bradley Anderson in Lil Loose. He's been crewing on our team at the drags with the Torrey for nearly 2 years now, and he wants to go over to Red Sandman in his Falcon and do burnouts over there and stuff like that. And so I just come down today to get a few shots of his car and just have some fun. Now, if you watch our drag racing videos, you'll recognise this car. This is John Ferguson and Ferguson family's Chev. We race this guy a lot in our track championship for drag racing here at the Plex, and it's a tough competitor, and they're set up here today with the juniors and everything, and the whole rig looking good. Okay, here's a little something. If you know me, you know that this little beast is right up my alley. Little RX3 wags with the modgies. Fresh as. And I've just got in the gate and we're not messing around. I'm just going straight to the lanes to go for a cruise with Brad in Lil Loose. So look at the lineup. Cars lined up for miles wrapping around the pits. Everyone's keen to get out and have a cruise and do a few skiddies. All right guys, here we go.
Yeah boy.
Ready to rip in the taxi. There you go guys, that's a ride along in Lil Loose. That was my first time sort of going passenger in a burnout car on a cruise like that. I've been before, like way back, but I can't really remember it. So yeah, that was fun. You know, it's good. It goes to show just you don't need a big blown combo and stuff like that. You can pile all your mates in the back and just cut a few broggies and just have some fun. It's pretty cool. So heading over to the Elite Pavilion now to see the unveiling of some cars. And I know of one car that's in there that's right up my alley, so want to get a peek of it. We've got a little sneak peek of the Elite Pavilion here. We got Shields garage with the big block Pro charged HQ. And here we got a little Morris Minor. Pretty cool little car. Way cooler with a turbo 13B. Bad to the bone. You would have just seen in the Elite Pavilion the unveiling of Boris's drag Sandman. It's been in the works for years, and Boris has got it absolutely perfect. So he's looking to race doorslammer in that thing. It's got all the right gear, all state-of-the-art stuff. So should be a pretty cool car. But now I've just hooked up with my uncle Tim McClure. He's got a turbo LSEH. We're going to go do a skid in, so see how that goes. Veersma's S13 drift car, LSA blown, 700 horsepower, 4-speed dog box. We just cleaned up the World Time Attack Challenge, and I can assure you this thing is not easy to get into. I'm not a small guy, but props to Lukey for getting in and out of this thing, because it is not easy. Nevertheless, awesome rig. Alright guys, here we are about to go out with Brad on the pad for the comp skid. There he is, Bradley. Ready to go. Let's do it. Me out, guys. I look like a real skidder or what?